it's KMC Vlogs. Welcome back to our vlog. Today, as you can see, I already took a shower, so that is done. I do need to post tomorrow's vlog up on YouTube, but I received a package that we're gonna go ahead and open. It's I ordered it through Walmart, but somebody else shipped it out, so it doesn't have like Walmart on it. But we're gonna open it up and try it on and see if it fits. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my YouTube stuff. So that is what I'm gonna work on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package. And we're gonna, so it comes in the baggie like this. It's the only thing that came late. So it's just like a plain shirt, but it's got these little, that's like what the sleeve looks like. So it's on the shoulder part. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and see if it fits. So here's what it looks like. I'm all the way at the wall, so it is tank topped, and then it's like got this cusp on the sleeves. It's just a plain Jane shirt, but it fits, so I like it. So we just got done recording our video for this week.
It's still dark over there.
And I'm trying to convince Chris that we should do an after dark series. Why'd you shut it off?
It's so dark.
What the hell's wrong with him? He took a shot of tequila, and so now he's crazy. This is why I want to do an after dark program.
Well, I can tell you one thing, that fucking tastes so nasty.
Okay, so word of advice, our video for this last week, as you are seeing this, what are you doing? Okay, anyways, it is the lemon lime soda blind taste test type thing. Anyways, he decided to mix all of them together and then take a shot of tequila with it. In theory, it sounded great.
Like shit.
In actuality, don't do it. Apparently tastes disgusting.
Tastes like shit.
Tastes like shit.
I want to be a little crazy.
See, this is why we at least need to have some type of like funny after dark series where we do things after dark, meaning like alcohol related. We are over the age of 21. I mean, we're almost freaking 30. We're not talking about it.
No, I'm 17, don't you know?
You're 17? Okay, great. So,
I'm just 10 years younger than what I am now.
okay, so I think we should do it. Comment down below if you think we should start doing an after dark on the weekend video. I kind of forgot. We are now finished doing the video and we are starting on supper, and then I think we're gonna watch a movie. Are we watching a movie or are we playing a game? Which one?
I think I'm not playing it.
Then we do the movie tomorrow night.
Yeah.
Okay, well, guess he's gonna play his game and I'll probably play my little game, and
Your little game?
yep. All right, see you soon. Happy Valentine's Day! So today is the 14th and it is quite literally raining outside. You can see that in the window. It is rainy and dreary today, so it's not a fun day. Anyways, I did go ahead and edit Friday's video. We did shoot that last night and got that put up on YouTube, so that will be up on Friday. So of course, as you are seeing this, that video will already be out, but I am currently trying to figure out an idea on my Mother's Day gift this year. Other than that, I don't really have any other plans, so. Alrighty guys, so today is the 15th. I am currently going to take Sir back to work, but I do have a girls group tonight. Alright, So, see you guys later. Alrighty guys, hey guys. Why did I do that? Like I was introing this video. This video is already introed. Anyways, today is the 16th of February. I spent all of my day yesterday doing taxes, filing my taxes. I don't know if I even mentioned that yesterday, but yesterday I filed taxes and I was supposed to go to girls group last night, but what ended up happening is we were in for a storm, apparently a snowstorm supposed to happen, and everybody was kind of freaking out and didn't really want to go, so they decided to do a Zoom meeting call, and I was hoping I would do it, but I ended up not being able to just because I was still filing my taxes. I had a lot of hiccups, and I had to take a break in between doing all of it because it was just giving me a massive headache. So if anybody else files their own taxes and gets a giant headache from it, let me know because you are not alone. I definitely do that. So today my plans were to get the dishes going and clean up my kitchen because it was a mess. And then I also do need to fold my laundry, but I've been kind of avoiding it. So I do need to do that. I might film a TikTok. I did just post a TikTok, so again, if you aren't following me on TikTok, I will leave that. I'll try to link it down below because I don't know why I don't link it. It's just easier that way.
Hi guys! I just wanted to check in because I didn't do any recording this week and it is literally Thursday. And normally I would be working, but I worked Wednesday. But we also had a blizzard come through, so me and Preston both had off of work. And yeah, look at all of our snow. It's not that much, but yeah.
Alrighty guys, so today is the 17th of February and I've already done a couple things. I did take Chris back to work and I did make my banks, run errands of my banks. And I just got home and so now I'm gonna go ahead and probably let's kind of play by ear. I do need to pay a bill. I do have to get gas later. So yeah, sorry if we haven't really been vlogging much this week. I just decided that you guys probably don't want all long videos, so I just didn't do it as much. And turns out Kenna also hasn't vlogged as much either, so I mean we're both just not vlogging very much. So hopefully this will be a short vlog, but it's not even the weekend yet, so who knows what will happen on the weekend.
You want to show people? You want to come catch? Come on, let's catch. Ready? Stay. Ready? Catch. Good boy. Well, good job. Mine. Ready? Mine. Okay. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Can you heel? Oh, good boy. Gentle. Gentle. Good boy. Good boy. Can you sit? Have your paw? That's a shake, but good boy, good shake. Can I have a paw? Can I have a paw? Toby paw. Good paw. Good paw. Good job. Guys, so I figured we could do a little vlog today. I'm going to a boutique, which I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog at those. I'm going to a boutique, we have to go to the archery shop, and then we're gonna go to Walmart and get a new TV, I think. And then we might go sledding or coyote hunting, something along those lines, so I will bring you with. But I just want to show you my bag that I have for our trip. I just got it the other day and I didn't have time to record because we had to go somewhere. So I will show you my bag, which it's just this little gray one with a little gold. And it has like a huge opening. But yeah, I think I'm gonna like it. Getting rid of the old 50-inch for the 65. See if it'll fit. big. Sit there. See if we can get your hair to stand up. Sometimes it stands up, sometimes it doesn't. Is it standing? Yep, it is a little bit. Look at your hair. Look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. Look at it. Look at that hair. It's the spot.
Alrighty guys, so we started DoorDash about 5 minutes ago or something like that. But we're at our first order.
What?
Where are we at?
Sonic.
Yeah, we have a Sonic order and then we also have a Panda Express order. So. What are you? Are you a parrot? What is this? What is wrong with you? You got a thing? You just decided to be a parrot today, I guess. Alrighty guys, so today is the 19th and today we have already gone to the grocery store and came home, put away our groceries. So that is done and we're gonna go ahead and have lunch. Then we're also going to hopefully what's it called? Record our video. And then Chris wants to take out his bike. So I'll probably do that. Then he's got a meeting later tonight. So that's the game plan for today.
Another day, and we're going to look for antlers. Preston, stop. This is safe. It's the bottom of a tree. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. That tree holding it up. Super safe.